may appointment tayo with Miss Eugene Domingo later.
Eugene Domingo?
Eugene Domingo and I who have nothing. Eugene Domingo has nothing.
The Eugene Domingo?
Tall, iced, non-fat, 2 packs then the extra shot mo.
Ikaw, Iha, andiyan ka pala. Wala kang imek. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko na kailangan magpapayat pa for the role of Mila.
So you mean you're accepting the role?
Papatay ako para sa role na to.
Eugene Domingo in the house!
Itong sex scene na may actual penetration, check na check. Gagawin ko lahat. Huwag niyo naman akong palusungin sa tae.